morning. We're gonna let the babies out. It is freezing. It is freezing outside right now. It is like, I am bundled. Probably the most I've been bundled in a while. So that's how you know it's cold. The coyotes were back again last night. I have a recording of them howling off into pretty close distance, I should say. It's pretty scary. Ain't nobody messing with my babies, though. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Melvin and Shelly, let's go. Come on. The dynamic duo over here. Come on, you two. Let's go. Nope. Anyways, busy day today. Blah, blah, blah. Maddie, say bye. Bye. Have a good day.